My name is Abiodun James. This is ceramic floor tile design. We are presently at Federal Polytechnic, Ede, Osun State, Nigeria. As you can see, this is part of our work, floor tile design. As you can see, we are still on it. You can see the straight line of our job. This very straight line, as you can see. You can contact us on 08063098718 for your tile design, for your POP job, for your aluminum roofing. We are the best. Both wall screening, gypsum ceiling design, etc. You can see the good and beautiful skirting. You can contact us once again or WhatsApp us on 08063098718 for your ceiling design and floor tiles installation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn down the notification below so that it can be updated when we upload the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm about to close this in. Do them, I'm about to close. See ya.